So here's what the clay looks like after it's been underneath the Back to Eden soil for several years. This is about 4 or 5 years. In this particular case, it pretty much looks the same as it did the day we put the compost and chips over the top of it. Sometimes the dirt is so compact, as you can see, that even the soils that are emerging above don't necessarily soften it. You know, look at the shovel. That's a testament to how hard these native earths are. That's from using my son's boot on top of it to press it into the ground harder. Brand new shovel just snapped. So we're going to break it up and soften it up. Do a little mechanical loosening and put a rose bush over the top. So here's a good example of where I might use humic acid. Right here, see this? Driveway. It's been driveway for a long time. Over the years, the rock and gravel has migrated down this way, even to some great extent underneath the wood chips and compost in this area. The wood chips and compost are pretty deep. It's deep enough. I can take this, y'all can see this rake, and it's just about that much into the ground. That's all soils. So what I want to do is I want to pour the humic acid down there to act to sort of soften that hardpan clay down below. It's going to give this particular rose a better chance of rooting down into the native earth. We don't just want it to root into the wood chip compost. We also want it to get good quality anchorage down below. If it doesn't take anchorage into the dirt below, the wind can blow it over, the rains can soften the soils, and it can suffer from some pretty severe stress. All right, so there you go. I'm just going to pour it in. Put about a gallon in there. Place it down. I'm going to go on to do some other chores now. That's going to actually perk down. Even if it doesn't perk down, I've still got some other native earth right here to put on top, because I can tell already based on the size of that particular root, that would be planting it too deep. So we're going to have those roots grow down into that below. It'll take on better structure, it'll be stronger, it'll have better access to whatever it needs, including moisture, and it'll become a happy rose, just like those over there.